Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be playing I'm not gonna attack Monkey Do. Monkey Do. So I don't know. Let's play Hangout. I don't know how do I change my name? Logout. Really logout? Yes. Let me create that account. Okay guys, I'll let me just type this in and I will be with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I made my name. Oh my, let's go through here. Okay, so my name is Sweet VR. Guys, if you see me, so wait, let me just go to Hangout. So guys, if you see me in Monkey Do, my name is Sweet VR with 2 R's. What's that name? Crap. What's that? Can I join the private server? Join.
Nope. Sure. I need like.
Oh no.
I need a cord.
No.
What the fuck?
I can't join a private one. Guys, how do I join? No host.
Oh,
Guys, how do I join a private server?
I'm stopping.
Oh,
I'm not hitting you or anything.
this game changed. Join private server. Okay. I would like to make a
Now
private
you're just
server.
hitting random people.
No, he hit me a little bit ago.
I did not hit
Stop
you.
hitting me.
Okay,
Yes, you
join.
did. Like, stop tapping.
Okay. Guys, I'm sorry about that. What the? Where am I? Well, but this changed. This game changed. That's what I mean. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna be playing this game a little bit and then yeah. Well, no. I fell. But I'm gonna be playing this game a little bit. Oh my. It's a push. Why are you so dumb? No. I could lie. Whee! No, I'm monkey. So yeah. So this is. Oh my god. Let me join a different one. What's crash site? Booty, host a crash site. What is that? If you don't join it, your room in 3 minutes. Okay. Four, two, two, four. This is my server, guys. I see that's my server. I just joined my own server. Okay, I'm monkey. I'm monkey. I go out of the map. Oh, oh. Monkey go out of the map. Mama. So yeah, and guys, you should check out this game. So the end dice. Well, no, what does it end dice? And guys, so yeah, and what's this called? And oh my gosh, I'm so forgetful. Menu. Who just joined my server? Uh-oh. How did you join my server? How? Monkey, how did you join my server? No one knows this code. Monkey! Monkey! I see you! How did
You don't see me? You don't see me?
I do? How did you find this code? Are you a player tracker or something?
No.
What the?
Sweet dreams.
Guys, I don't know what's happening, but guys, I'm gonna link the game in the bio. So yeah. Oh my, I just fell. Okay guys, so
Daddy,
guys, ignore him, he's so weird. Okay guys, I don't even know who the frick is this, but I'm gonna guys put this game in the bio, you should check it out. And that's it for today's video. Now let's climb it. Okay, let's jump off in 3, 2, 1.